My name is Shraddha, and I am really excited to bring this module on ChatGPT for developers to you. In this video, you will learn about ChatGPT, how it works, and most importantly, how you can use it to increase your productivity as a software developer. But before we dive into the details, let's start by understanding the concept of generative AI, of which ChatGPT is a remarkable example. ChatGPT is nothing but an AI tool created by OpenAI. It is based on the concept of generative artificial intelligence. It was released in November 2022 and gained almost 1 million users in only 5 days. To put that into perspective, Instagram took 2.5 months and Netflix took 3.5 years to achieve the same user base. Now let's understand what generative AI actually means. Generative AI is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating models capable of generating new content such as text, images, or even music. These models are trained on a vast amount of data and learn to mimic the patterns and structures present in the training data. They can generate new content that resembles the data that they were trained on based on a few user inputs. ChatGPT is an advanced generative AI model created by OpenAI. It is based on GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer Architecture, which has revolutionized natural language processing tasks. ChatGPT is specifically designed to understand and generate human-like responses, making it an amazing tool to have an interactive conversation and problem solving. Even though it has all the answers, there are instances where it might give you a wrong or a vague answer. It is really important for anyone using ChatGPT to have the knowledge of the questions that they are asking and to cross-check the answers before using it somewhere important. In simple terms, ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot for having dynamic back and forth conversations with you. You want to know the incredible part? It remembers the entire history of the conversation, enabling it to maintain the context and deliver personalized responses to you. This is definitely going to change the way we work as developers, and we can only expect similar kind of tools in the near future. As far as what you can use it for, the list is unlimited. There are so many areas that you can use ChatGPT for, but in this particular module, we are going to use it to make our lives as developers a bit easier. Now that you have a basic understanding of generative AI and ChatGPT, let's understand how developers can leverage this powerful technology to enhance their workflow and increase their productivity. Please note that in this particular module, we are going to be using GPT-3, but if you are a Plus user, you can definitely use GPT-4. So without any further ado, let's dive right in.